Back at the beginning of 2023, I hatched a plan to go wild camping in the Scottish Highlands, all alone, for a week. Just me, a bike, a tent, a few supplies, and hopefully some good weather. And here's how it turned out. Last night was the coldest yet. Cold feet kept me awake most of the night. But today it's my birthday and I've started on a positive. I've been carrying around Kim's presents to me this whole trip, and today I finally wore them for the first time. Thanks, Kim. Stepping out the tent this morning and watching the sunrise through the trees made it feel all a bit more special. After packing up and eating breakfast, warming up with a coffee, I set off for the day. The first stop was one of my favourite places, Loch and Elan. It's a spot close to my heart, and the reason for today's visit was to pick a spot for Bracken. He was my 15-year-old Springer Spaniel, a loyal companion who we all miss. From there, I rode up to the Glenmore ski resort, snapped a few pictures before hitting the road again, heading for Nethy Bridge. The aim was Grantown-on-Spey for fuel before tackling the Whisky Trail. Heading towards Nethy Bridge, I made a quick stop at Castle Roy for a look around and to say hello to this chap. The ride was stunning, mile after mile of beautiful scenery. The Whisky Trail really is worth doing. It's just a shame I couldn't stop for a wee dram at each distillery. taking the A939 and was headed for Balmoral when a trucker flagged me down. He had some bad news.
Road shut.
It is shut?
It is shut, yeah. They're resurfacing the whole road.
Oh, fucking hell.
Really a road there at all. It's just,
I can do off-road. Right,
I don't know if it's worth it. They might let you, well, mind you saying that, there's no bridge, the bridge ain't complete.
The road ahead was closed. The bridge was out for repair. So, that left me with a choice. I was backtracking, like earlier in this trip, but do I turn right or do I turn left? Luckily, the trucker explained that the other road I'd chosen was also closed, so left it was. Just like the other day, I couldn't be disappointed about backtracking. The sun was shining, the road was epic, and I was on my bike. Sometimes the best moments come when plans change, and right now, I was just enjoying life. By 4 PM I'd covered around 150 miles and ended up exactly where I'd started, Avon. But I still had 200 miles to run. This was shaping up to be a long day. Tomorrow I'd be meeting Kim in Leyburn, so I needed to make it to my camping spot in the Yarrow Valley tonight. Eventually hitting Edinburgh at rush hour. Finally, I reached the Queensferry Bridge, and from there it should be easy going. Stopping for fuel, my dash read 306 miles, and I still had around 50 to go. As it was my birthday, I treated myself. Picked up some fillet steak and a bottle of red wine before making my way to Megget Reservoir, my campsite for tonight. No phone signal there meant I was back down the road again to ring Kim to let her know I was safe and that I'd speak to her in the morning. With the tent up and my steak cooked, I sat back with a cup of wine and enjoyed the silence. With only the birds for company, there wasn't another human being for miles.